In this video, I want to talk about how you can get access to invite-only scripts on TradingView. Now to do this, what you need to do is you need to contact the creator directly. So let me quickly talk about how you can do this. So first step is you want to find the script that you want to do. So what you want to do after you've done that, you want to either try and find a social media, or you can private message them on TradingView and stuff like this. So you just want to find who the owner is. Once you've done that, just search for him anywhere, Instagram, Twitter, every sort of place. And then you want to request for access. So you want to send him a message on TradingView, and also if he has any links, you can go to them, or you can try and message him from any social medias. Now after that, you want to wait until he sees your message, and it's up to him if he want to accept you or not. So wait for him to see it and see if he grants you access. Once he has done that, you can access the script by going to your chart layout, click on indicators, and select invite only scripts, and you should be able to see it from in there. Now, like I said, all this depends on if he gives you access or not. So when you ask him, make sure that you make a good and convincing message. And that's about it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.